Hi, we're the Hurley Family.
Sarah, Andy, Abel, and Nora.
In 2017, we were given the opportunity to work abroad and move our family from the U.S. to the UK.
While it's difficult to work full-time and raise 2 toddlers, it's even more difficult to travel, yet we do. Our passion for travel outweighs the need for sleep, or even a clean house.
We want to show anyone who watches you can have a career, kids, and travel.
The more personal reason for documenting our adventures is that Abel and Nora are still so small, a lot may not be remembered.
So to Abel and Nora,
we love you.
We travel to show you the world, and to everyone else, we hope to offer some kid-friendly travel tips, entertainment, and of course, wanderlust.